Are your feet so rough that you need a sander? Jagged enough to pop a balloon? Or tear through pantyhose? Now there's the amazing Heeltastic, the miracle solution to dry, cracked feet.
Within 24 to 48 hours, I could see an improvement in my skin and what a difference it makes immediately.
My feet feel so much softer. They feel like baby's feet.
This easy-to-use, soothing balm helps to protect skin against dry, cracked heels.
My feet were so dry and cracked, now I'm not embarrassed to wear sandals anymore.
Just glide it like a roll-on with no mess and no fuss.
I actually formulated this product for myself because I had cracks that were so bad they bled. Lotions and creams sit on the top of the skin. The problem is deeper. This actually gets to the cause of the problem.
Heeltastic contains a rare blend of neem and karanja oils used for centuries by ancient Eastern civilizations to heal skin from within.
My feet felt a lot softer. They didn't seem to crack or bother me.
Anytime I get any type of dry skin, it's like it magically disappears. I have no more callousing, no more cracking. My skin looks great.
So stop hiding horrendous heels and start loving your feet again with Heeltastic Cracked Heel Renewal.
There was no residue. It smelled wonderful, and it took care of the problem finally.
Take yours home today.